A report is a communication from someone who has information to someone who wants to use that information. A report contains information and facts gathered through scientific analysis which are required for a specific purpose. The information and the recommendations contained in the report must be correct and scientific. There are 5 steps involved in preparing any kind of report. Number 1, you should define the problem. Number 2, gather the necessary information. Number 3, analyze the information. Number 4, organize the information. And finally, you should write the report. Any report that you write should include the following. Report should start with a cover page with the company's header, the title of the report, that is, Report on the Fire Accident, and the information about by whom the report was prepared. Mention the name along with the designation of the person who has prepared. Next, keep the title page in which you should mention the title of the report. When the report is being submitted must be mentioned clearly, and to whom it is being submitted must be mentioned. Then it is followed by body of the content. This has to be prepared in the official letterhead, in which you should mention the date, reference, from and to address on the top as like other official letters. Below to it you must present the investigated ideas in order as in the form of executive summary. In the report you must give recommendations to avert such accidents in the future based on the investigation that you made after the accident. Most of the accident reports include the letter of transmittal to, in which you have to thank those who have helped in preparing the report and the persons those who have cooperated during the investigation. As we mentioned earlier, write from and to address along with the date and reference. Do write the salutation, followed by the subject of the report. In the body of report you could present the following like: with reference to your intimation dated the 4th of May 2009, a detailed study has been made on the fire accident that took place on the 2nd of this month in our factory. On the above-mentioned date, a huge fire had broken out around 11 a.m. in our welding department. It spread so quickly that it consumed fairly a large number of tools and spare parts. Above all, Mr. James, our chief welder, was also badly hurt. Luckily he was the only person working at that time, as the other workers had gone for tea break. Immediately, firemen were summoned and they extinguished the fire after battling for about half an hour. Mr. James was hospitalized and he is now recovering fast. Under investigation, it is found that the fire broke out because of a short circuit in the main line. As Mr. Sai had been welding at that time, the fire had spread quickly. In addition, the wires had worn out and needed replacement. All these had resulted in the devastating fire. The total loss is estimated to be nearly 1 rupee, 50,000. To avoid such mishaps in the future, it is recommended that number 1. Wiring should be replaced and be checked at regular intervals. Number 2. Enough fire extinguishers must be kept handy. Number 3. Automatic fire extinguishing sprays can be installed. Number 4. Proper fuses should be used to avoid excess flow. Number 5. Employees should be given proper training with regard to the use of electrical components and fire extinguishers. If all these measures are taken, definitely such accidents can be prevented in future and thereby, great loss to human as well other resources could be averted. Complete the report by affixing your signature. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it is very informative. We'll see you again. Happy learning. Kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video with your loved ones.